This is Paul. Yeah. hmm I'm just looking at what time it is. Yeah. It's 10:26. Yeah. I was spending quite a bit of time going over some of the documentation of the state of Washington. Yes. And I thought, there's something wrong here. Because I went through the RCW 26 as it involves family law. Yeah. And I thought for sure, yes, there has got to be something wrong. Poop. Now, my concern is that the individual cities, yeah, their attorneys, could you get me their malpractice insurance? Pooch. I'm concerned right now that the city attorneys, yeah, the county attorneys, yeah, the state's attorneys, in fact, the federal government's attorneys, pooch. Now, this is the forensic, yes, evaluation report guidelines to competency to stand trial. Yeah. hmm hmm I found out I was wrong again today. Ouch. There seems to be some concern about the individuals that are arrested. Yeah. Being able to stand trial. Speedy trial, any kind of trial, really. Yes. I mean, make something up. Pooch. Just invent a new form of trial. Could you get me the malpractice insurance? Yeah. Of every attorney in the Washington State Bar Association. Yeah. Now, about this manual, the objective of this manual is to provide guidance and information for writing competency to stand trial evaluations under the 1077 RCW. Yeah. hmm it's not intended to substitute for formal training. Yes. The individuals that are employed in the state of Washington, yeah, that happen to be bar association members, yeah. Could you get me their malpractice insurance? Yeah, for the actual city of Port Angeles right now. Clallam County. Yeah. Yeah, there's going to be some very large malpractice lawsuits. Yes. See, I actually wasn't in Squim. No. I wasn't there. Yes. And this does the defendant have sufficient present ability? Yeah. To consult with his public defender? Yeah. Could you get me the malpractice insurance of every public defender? Yes. In every city and county of the state of Washington right now. There's going to be some very large lawsuits. Now, for the individuals in the prosecuting attorney's office, yeah, Mr. Nichols, Mr. Cowgill, Miss Cochran, yeah, I'm going to want the malpractice insurance right now of every prosecuting attorney in every superior court of the state of Washington. Yeah. Now, I'm reading what this is supposed to do. Yeah. The 1077. See, Washington state statute does not directly address the rational component, yes, of the minimum bar of the competency standard, yes, set forth in Dusky. Rather, the following addition must also be considered. Yeah. The test must be whether he has sufficient present ability, yes, to consult with his lawyer that has malpractice insurance. Yeah. Jefferson Associated Counsel. Mr. Hawes. Yeah. Mr. Roberts. And all the prosecuting attorneys in Jefferson County. Yeah. I want to know if you have malpractice insurance, yes, or if you purchased malpractice insurance before becoming a prosecuting attorney or a public defender for the last 40 years with a reasonable degree of rational understanding. Yeah. And whether he has, yes, a rational as well as factual understanding of the proceedings against him. Dusky versus U.S. 362 U.S. 402. Cell hearing. Oh. Now, we scheduled a cell hearing for myself. Yeah. But this is for a Dusky? Yes. Who was Dusky? What was it that Dusky had a problem with? Yes. He did not have the ability to stand trial. Yes. He was so mentally incompetent. Yeah. That only the use of restoration would allow for the actual prosecution of the individual. Yes. He had such a limited idea. Yes. Of exactly why it was that he was on trial. Yes. That the only thing that could be done was to restore the individual to competency. Cell hearing. Dusky. Why are we having cell hearings? Yes, when my...